In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum only positive numbers in Google Sheets. If you're tracking budgets, sales, or any list of values where you only want to add the positives, this quick method will keep your totals accurate and effortless. First, open your Google Sheets document and choose the cell where you want the total to appear. Pick a spot that makes sense for a summary, like at the top of a report or at the end of a column, so it's easy to reference later. Next, click into the formula bar at the top of the sheet. That's the long input field just above the grid where formulas are entered. You can also start typing directly in the selected cell, but the formula bar gives you a clear view, which is helpful for longer ranges. Now, type a SUMIF formula that targets your data range and includes only values greater than 0. The basic pattern is equals SUMIF, open parenthesis, the range you want to check, a comma, then the condition in quotes greater than 0, and close parenthesis. For example, if your numbers are in A2 through A100, you would type X SUMIF, A2, A100, 0. Make sure the greater than sign and 0 are inside quotation marks. Google Sheets expects the condition as text. Press Enter to calculate. Instantly, Sheets adds up all the positive numbers in that range and ignores anything that's 0 or negative. If there aren't any positive values yet, you'll see a result of 0, which simply means the condition wasn't met. As your sheet grows, remember to adjust the range so new rows are included. You can edit the existing formula and extend it, for example from A2 A100 to A2 A500. If you prefer not to update it often, consider using an open-ended range like A2A, which captures everything from row 2 down, or even the entire column AA. Open-ended ranges are convenient, though using an entire column can be a bit heavier in very large sheets, so choose what fits your dataset. Finally, format the total cell so it stands out. Apply bold text or add a subtle background color using the toolbar. A visual highlight makes your total easy to spot at a glance, especially if others will use the sheet. That's all there is to it. Pick your result cell, write the SUMIF with greater than 0. Press Enter, keep the range current as your data grows, and format the result so it's easy to find. Simple, accurate, and ready for real-world spreadsheets.